In this video we will discuss about how to create APK for Play Store in Flutter, or how to open Android module on separate project. So you have to click on Tools, Flutter, and open for editing in Android Studio. In new window you will be able to see the Android module, and by clicking on build and generate signed APK, you will be this is the process for creating APK for Play Store. So you have to create a JKS file. First of all, file name is demo app.jks, and password is 1234567 1234567 and this is also important. We have to remember this password and the JKS file, because we will be unable to update another APK on Play Store if we will not have this JKS file, and will forget this password. So these are very important things which we have to remember, or which we have to store. 5 6 7 8, and after that click on OK. So at least one entry is important. Okay, and after that you will be able to create JKS file on your desktop. So we can also run an app from here. This is the Android module. So this way you will be able to create your JKS file, your release APK for Play Store, and you can run your app in your device from here. And if you want to update your Play Store version, then you have to change it from here. You can change your app version name and version code. Play Store will not take previous version, so you have to change your version name and version code every time when you update your app on Play Store. when you will create a release APK for Play Store, it may take some time. It usually take 1 to 2 minutes first time, and after that it will not take much time. So you can get your jks file. So our jks file name was again. If you want to create your app release, you have to enter your password and next finish. So you will be able to create the app release in half a minute, just 15 to 20 seconds. So you can see your app release. This is the app bundle, and you can create your app release by clicking here. This is your jks file. You can see type jks file. So this is the jks file we have created for this app for Play Store. So this way you can create app release for Play Store. This is app release, and this is app bundle. So you can directly import it on Play Store. So that's how you can create a, a release APK for Play Store.